Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, what I want to talk about is learning to control your ribs for Pectus Excavatum. Okay, so this is something I figured out pretty early on, is the ability to control your ribs, because I absolutely hated my rib flare, I hated my pectus, and so I kind of found a way to walk around whilst controlling my ribs. And so, to be honest, it's kind of became just like an automatic habit for me now with my ribs, is to control them down. And the way you can think about this is you kind of just like breathe down into them, try and make them flat, and you flex and control your abs. So if I just completely relax, this is what I look like now. Now, looks pretty similar because I've developed my core so much. And I think through years and years of always controlling my ribs down, it's just helped create that like an automatic profile. So this is me thinking ribs down controlled, and then this is me just relaxed. So it's a pretty similar thing. Now, that being said though, I can still flare my ribs out if I breathe in to my belly. And then I get that, like, you can see that I still have that like rib flare structure. The cool thing is it's actually hard for me to like do this now. Like I can just feel like my developed core around my ribs. It makes it hard to just lose that tension and just like have flaring ribs. But if I really breathe in, I can try and make my ribs flare like how they kind of always used to look. And so, what we want to learn is to control that, keep them compressed and down, and then you can walk around, you can go about your life, and your pectus will be looking so much better. So it's something to practice. If you're feeling really insecure about going to the pool or something and you're on your way to transforming your body but you haven't achieved like the ultimate physique yet, which really masks your pectus anyway, then what you can focus on is just holding your ribs down and learning that skill, and then it will look a lot better. So it's just a little tip for you guys about the ribs. To be honest, it's like something we should be doing in a lot of the movements in the gym as well, is thinking ribs down, core contracted. So it's a good skill to have, is the ability to keep your core on and your ribs down.